Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento. So today we are going to learn about how to create the root script in Magento 2. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So to create the root script, it should be in your pub directory. Previously we are creating in the, like you can say, the root folder, but now the all the data is moved to the pub directory, all the index file is there, so you have to create that root script in the pub directory. Okay, after this one you create any of the file. I have created test.php, and the code what you have to write is use Magento framework app bootstrap, so you have to use this. After that you have to require the bootstrap.php, so make sure the path should be correct. So currently this path is correct, so you can use the same one. Okay, then bootstrap Magento, then you have to set up the object manager. Then here I have written down the code for getting the data of the products on the basis of the product SKU. Okay, so here you can see that I'm using object manager create Magento catalog product model and load by attribute SKU, and I'm just printing the product ID and the product name. Else it will show you that echo product not found. Saving this one and running that into the command line, you can see that product id 2, product name is test. So you can see that here product id is 2 and the product name is test, and the SKU is TSET. So you can see that this is how you are able to create a root script in Magento 2. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.